Hi there, students. Outlaw. So an outlaw is a noun. You could also use it as a verb, to outlaw something. And then, I guess as an adjective, outlawed. Okay, so an outlaw is a criminal. Somebody who breaks the law, a fugitive, a bandit, somebody who's a criminal, because they are outside the law. Normally an outlaw lives outside society because they don't want to be apprehended, they don't want to be arrested by the police, yeah, because they want to escape punishment. Yeah, so an outlaw, a felon, a crook, a criminal, yeah, and then to outlaw, to make something illegal. So I believe they are going to outlaw smoking in public places. In these cowboy films, you have the outlaw, yeah, wanted dead or alive. So Jesse James was an outlaw. Or you have the film The Outlawed Josie Wells, yeah, he was the bad guy. To me, the word outlaw conjures up ideas of cattle rustlers, people stealing cattle, and bank robbers and things like this in the West. Okay, so an outlaw, a criminal, to outlaw something, to make something illegal. Let's see, you can also use this metaphorically. So he's an outlaw from society. Yeah, he's a social outlaw, effectively a rebel, a non-conformist, somebody who doesn't obey the rules or doesn't live by the general rules of society. Okay, the new legislation has outlawed the sale of guns. So to outlaw, to declare illegal, okay, to criminalize, to make illegal. An outlaw, a criminal, a crook, a hoodlum, yeah, and then to outlaw, to illegalize, to criminalize. Okay, so yes, I know that the British government tried to outlaw Sinn Féin, the political arm of the IRA, but I don't think you can outlaw political parties, yeah, as long as they are not violent. Okay, so an outlaw, to make something illegal. You could also have an outlaw state or an outlaw regime. I think an outlaw state, this is a synonym for a rogue state. So, for example, North Korea is considered to be an outlaw state or a rogue state. Yeah, I think in the view of the West, Russia is fast becoming an outlaw state, or perhaps they view Mr. Putin's regime as an outlaw regime. So it's not a legitimate regime. Yeah. A gang of Hell's Angels like to give the image that they are outlaws. Yeah? So to outlaw the use of something, to make something illegal. Now, I was wondering jokingly what the opposite of outlaw is. Is it in-law? Well, an in-law is your wife or your husband's brother or father or sister. So your brother-in-law, your father-in-law, your mother-in-law. But you can actually use this word outlaw as a joking way to talk about your in-laws. Yeah, it's I think jokingly saying that these people are like criminals. Yeah. Or maybe you could also use outlaws humorously for a couple who aren't married, but they're the family of your partner. Okay, so an outlaw, a criminal, a fugitive from the law, somebody who acts outside society. Oh yes, the most famous British outlaw was Robin Hood. Yeah, Robin Hood had to escape to Sherwood Forest to steal from the rich and give to the poor. Okay, he was an outlaw. He was outside the law. He was a fugitive from justice because he didn't want to get executed, as one can well understand. Okay, so outlaw. And as to origin, well, there's an old English word, ultaga, meaning an outlaw, which comes actually from Old Norse, ultagi, meaning an outlaw or a fugitive. Yeah, literally, they're outside the law. And then as to formality, I think I would give this a 5 in formality. Use it absolutely anywhere. I think we tend to use it more for cowboys and cowboy films and folk heroes and people like that. Yeah, but you could use it just to say a criminal. So anyway, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Outlaw.